Welcome everyone, my name is Michael and today we're going to be doing a drizzle pour painting. It is exactly how it sounds. We're going to take some paint here, we're going to drizzle it all over the canvas. Hopefully not as crazy or wild as that is. I'll try to rein it back a little. I have seen wonderful artist Chris Jeszick. Hopefully I didn't just butcher her name by the way, but she does some fantastic stuff. She does a drizzle pour technique where she takes it and she drizzles it around. It's awesome. I think I'm going to do differently. I'm going to go like crazy, like our style here. um I'll try to be more refined though. All right, so let's straighten up really fast and let's go put down our base here. We're going to spread this out throughout the whole canvas. I do want to say uh, I was getting set up for to do another open cup pour because I have been testing out some different stuff. Um, so now I'm back to my normal consistency, back to my regular pouring medium, my 70-30 mix. As you can see, way thicker than what I've been using. I was using some thinned out stuff, just trying some experimental stuff. I am going to tell you now, this right here, this has in it my 70-30 pouring medium, and it has some gloss varnish in it. Like I said, I was getting set up to do some experimental stuff, and that didn't happen. We decided to do this instead because I kind of just wanted to do it. So, you know how we are here. We just do whatever we want and have fun. And yeah, let's get this spread out. We are going to tilt even after we put down this drizzle. So we don't actually have to get all the way to the corners if we don't want to, because we will get there eventually. Yeah, see? A lot thicker, right? Oof. Yeah, that's a lot thicker. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Oh, this is a messy one today, huh? Very messy. I better clean up. Ooh, here we go. All right, while we're cleaning up, now let's go over some paints really fast and some paint stuff. I'm going to be using a white. This is not titanium white, just white. This is a gloss. This is going to be a gloss enamel white, okay? And it's a mixture now. So it's my gloss enamel. It is some satin multi-surface paint, and it's my pouring medium and satin varnish in here. It's crazy. I was going crazy trying some stuff out. Oh, here we go. Let's start to drizzle. Let's get this painting in a nice spot for you guys here. How's that look? I think that looks great. All right, here we go, guys. Woo. Here we go. We're gonna drizzle. Oh, we're going with thin sticks, not the thick ones. And look, we wanna do that. Look, we wanna be able to. Oh, you didn't see it. We wanna be able to do this. Okay. Here we go. Ready? Let's get started like that, and then we just go like this. That's more like a dot. That did not happen the way we thought that was gonna happen. Let's try again. All right. Nope, we're not getting a drizzle. We're getting more drips. There we go. That's how you get a drizzle. All right. Wow, great. There we go. All right. There we go. I like that. The drips are cool. Should we have went with the drips? There's the drizzle. All right. That's it for some weight there. Now let's go over this cadmium red. This actually just has my pouring medium in it. That's it. And the paint, obviously. Here we go. And we know to drizzle like this. And we're gonna get some drops. We don't want to go too crazy with the red. Just a little bit. All right. Here we go. I don't know. Here we got some neon orange. All right, let's have some fun. Just a nice drizzle across there. Let's do another drizzle this way. And just another like that. All right, not too much. Let's do a little cadmium yellow hue. Now this does have stuff in it. Like I said, I was going experimental with the open cup. I was not expecting to do this at all. Pouring medium plus some Liquitex gloss medium plus, you know, a little extra water because this is like super thick. So here we go. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like the little thin one. That was kind of cool. All right. I thought we had these thinned out enough to be able to do this. I think it's these small sticks. They're not really good at holding any paint. So let's chalk it up to that. How about that? All right. And the fact that we've never done this before. Yes. This is almost, this is like also like a Jackson Pollock technique, okay? I know. Okay. We know. We know. All right, here we go. Now let's do some silver. All right. This has some satin varnish in it. This is just crazy. None of this is going to affect this painting because it just wasn't set up to do that. This is going to be normal, okay? I think. Now let's go with some silver. There we go. Oh, I like the silver because I can go a little wild. Ooh, let's go wild. Let's go wild, guys. You know what? That's our style, right? All right, here we go. Oh, I like that. Yeah. All right. You know, I like this. Let's keep doing this. Sometimes you just go with what you're going with. Okay. Do we want to go with a little bit more white since we kind of didn't go with a lot of white? Let's see if we can get some nice big splotches here. This is crazy. Okay. All right. There's no silicone in any of this. It's all those other chemicals, though. Sometimes, is silicone the least of our problems here, guys? All right, here we go. Let's pop some bubbles. I actually didn't do this before. Should do this before. My brain is just on autopilot sometimes. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, let's do a nice tilt here. Whew. I don't know what is going to happen to this painting. Does anybody have an idea? Let's see. Ooh, it's so thick. Yeah, see, there's that. Gotta be that varnish in there. Oh, this is kind of cool. Maybe we'll blur it a little. I was trying to go with that kind of effect for the open cup anyway, so let's see if maybe we can get that kind of effect. Like a nice blurred effect. I can even over tilt if I need to. Let's try to just finish one side. This is really thick. I do want to pour it. I do want to tilt though, so I don't. However thick it is, it's getting tilted. That's it, guys. We're gonna stay here all night. We'll tilt this baby. Yeah, look at that. Really, I'm saying, look how slow this is. You can just get a nice view of this. You can see close up of the tilt. There we go, guys. How's that? Yeah, that's what we're working with. I'm not gonna speed this up either. Let's just do this real time. Yeah, some of this is blurring nice, I think. All right. Oh, that's gonna be nice. I do like these colors. I really do like these colors, and I actually really do like this composition. It gives us more of a nice abstract feel instead of our normal cells and stuff like that. You know. Now let's see if we can get, you guys can get in this angle here. See if I can even shake it down a little. Yeah, it's really thick. now, don't we wish that we had the my thinned pouring medium in this work? That would have worked out great because it would have flowed so much easier. I might have to just add some black there. It's not gonna flow anymore. I think we're pretty good, guys. This painting actually is gonna stay kind of how we made it. That's gonna be a first. All right, let's see. A little bit more. I think that's it. I don't think she's moving anywhere. Maybe down. I would have loved to get a little more action here. But yeah, I think that's it. I think we're going with this. I'll put a little black in that corner. Let's see if I have some. We're gonna put the white in the corner. That actually will look different. Ready? Oh, my hands are on this. Look at this white in the corner. Yeah, there you go. Some down here too. Let's do a little different. All right, that looks different. I like the white in there. This painting is actually really cool looking. I'm loving these colors. But yeah, okay. Next time, let's go with the thinner mixture in that base coat and see if we can thin these colors out. You know, that would be nice. Or vice versa. Might have to go the other way. But yeah, oh, I like it. All right, guys. I guess we'll see you tomorrow. Let's go in for a close up and let's have some fun.